Okay, Miss. Now we do the evaluation for the next week topic. Since the next week topic is about review, so I will ask you some question from 5th to 9 January until the last homework as the representative. I will ask a few questions only. So we go to maybe we go to the math first for this 5th to 9. This is okay. We go to this question.
What is the meaning of perimeter? B. The total distance around a shape side. 2. Which word only means how something is from end to end. D. Perimeter. A. Length. 3. Area is used to measure. C. The amount of space inside a flat shape. 4. Which of the following best describe occupied? A. To fill or cover a certain space volume.
Okay, we go to this question then. Question number 1.
1.
Yeah.
The shop has 648 storybooks and 279 comics. Explain how you can estimate the total numbers of the part ending exactly. So here we need to round 648, we round down 650, and then 278, 79, we round to 280. So the total is around 039.
Okay.
This one. Okay. And after that, what number is it? Continue.
Yeah, just try to answer question number 3. Yeah, this one, question number 3.
The farmer harvests 385 kilos of minerals and 167 kilos of bananas. Simulate needs 80 kilograms per delivery. Use estimation to accept calculation to decide. So we need to run also 385, we run to 4,800 plus 467, we run around 500. So the answer is about 900. So he need only 800 kilograms. So the
Estimation.
yeah, the measure is enough
Okay.
for delivery.
Okay, now we go to science.
One which is an example of a chemical reaction. What the answer is C. Word burning into S. To which change can be reversed easily. C. Salt dissolved in water. 3. What happens in a chemical reaction. B. A new substance is formed. 4. Which is a physical reaction. C. Chocolate melting. Number 5. Why is burning wood is a chemical reaction. B. Wood become ash, a new substance.
Uh, okay, we go to this question.
Okay, how is melting useful in our daily life? Give one example and explain. Melting is useful for our life because it can help. For example, when we melt a chocolate or water, the chocolate and the water can receive again the change into solid liquid, and after that they can just reshape again into solid.
Okay. Number 2.
If you put an ice cube in the sun and it melts, but later you freeze the water again, what this tell you about this type of change? This type of change is physical reaction because the ice cube can melt and then when you freeze again in the water in the freezer, the water can freeze again. The ice cube.
Okay. Next, we go to Mathematica. Okay, we just skip this question. We go to another question. 12 to 15 January. We open the Mathematica first. Okay, miss, question number 1.
Perubahan satuan yang benar adalah 1 desimeter B, 1 desimeter kubik sama dengan 1 liter. Sebuah bak momentum yang bentuk kubus dengan pada sisi 4 desimeter. Berapakah volumenya? Si 64 liter.
Okay.
Sebuah akuarium berisi 500 liter air, volume air tersebut sama dengan si 500 desimeter kubik. 4 sebuah kubus memiliki panjang rusuk 5 cm. Kubus kedua memiliki rusuk 2 kali lebih panjang. Kubus kedua adalah D 1000 cm kubik. Kotak tisu membentuk lorong, panjangnya 8, lebar 4 dengan tinggi 3. Lalu kotak tisu tersebut adalah 120.
Okay.
Sebuah kotak berbentuk kubus memiliki panjang 4 desimeter. Mengapa volume bak mandi tersebut 64 desimeter? Karena rumus sebuah kubus adalah sisi kali sisi kali sisi.
Okay. Nomor 4.
Sebuah akuarium berisi 120 liter air. Jika air tersebut dipindahkan ke ember berukuran 20 liter, analisis berapa ember yang diperlukan. Jadi di sini kita akan bagi 120 liter dibagi 20 sama dengan 6 liter ember yang diperlukan.
Oke. Nomor 5.
Ember A berkapasitas 4, ember B berkapasitas 6. Jika Pak Mandi membutuhkan 60 desimeter kubik, ember A atau ember B manakah yang lebih cepat? Jadi jawabannya adalah ember B karena 60 dibagi 6 sama dengan 10 ember lebih cepat. Semakin besar semakin cepat dia mengisinya.
Okay. Okay, next we go to science. Start from number 1.
What happened to the surrounding temperature? C. It increased. So why does a washing machine feel on when it is working? B. Because energy is transferred as heat.
Number 1 before miss?
C. It increases.
Oh yeah, turn on, yeah. Number 3.
What type of energy is transferred from the campfire to the surrounding? C. Heat and light. The following are energy lines called energy efficiency. The C. They use less energy to give up light. 5. Which of the following is renewable energy? D. Sunlight.
Sunlight, okay. Next.
Why a solar powered calculator cannot work well at night? Explain the reason. Solar powered calculator cannot work well at night because there is no sunlight at night. So solar powered calculator needs light to work.
Okay, number 2.
Why the solar energy is close as sun or heat when microwave is used? Why does this happen? Because some of not all the electrical materials can produce useful energy. So like earlier can change the energy to the surrounding become heat and sun.
Okay. Next we move to math.
Number 1.
Okay, we skip this one first. Okay, now we go to another question here. We go to February. We find 2nd to 6th January. February. Math.
Number 1, what is the main function of Kelly chart? D. To put data quickly. So in the Kelly chart, one vertical line represents D1. Number 3, how is a group of 5 Kelly mark written? D, exceed. Now, forward as a frequency table shall be a number of times that data appears 5 8. If Apple appears 8 times, which tally mark are correct? C.
Okay.
This is for
Yeah. Okay. We just move to number.
extend to change the tally from frequency.
Yeah. Question number one, Miss.
Which object is the source of light? D. The lamp. 2. Why can we not see object is in a completely dark room? C. There is no light reaching our eyes. 3. Which statement is correct? Not seeing no light object. C. They are seen when light is reflected into our eyes. What is the main function of capsule endoscopic camera? D. To take picture inside the room. D. 5. Why does the capsule camera have its own light? C. To help others see clear image inside the room.
Okay. Number one, Miss.
Why is light is very important for us to see object inside the body in or in a dark room? Explain the relationship between light and our eyes. Okay. Light is important because light we can see object we can see object because the light travel to the source of light to the object, and from the object reflect to our eyes, so we can see the object.
Okay. Okay. Next, we move to Mathematica here. Okay. Number one.
Apa yang masih berusung di garis bawah membantu perbawaan di sentimeter kubik di mana untuk mengukur C volume benda 3 dimensi, satuan kubik berhubungan dengan B satuan volume untuk mengukur isi ruang. 4. Ilustrasi dapat pelajaran berfungsi untuk membantu memahami suatu konsep. 5. Berikut ini termasuk istilah matematika tentang volume adalah geometri.
Okay. This one. Asian English.
Idealitas adalah 3000 mililiter, 5 liter 1 desimeter 1, 2 liter setengah dengan 2000 cm.
2 liter, ya. 700. Oke. Ya. Nomor 3.
32 balon memiliki tinggi yang sama, yaitu 10 cm. Balon A berukuran 8 kali 5, sedangkan balon B berukuran 10 kali 4. Balon manakah yang lebih besar? Maka kedua balon tersebut sama besar sama. Karena 8 kali 5 kali 10 sama dengan 400 cm. Jadi 10 kali 4 kali 10 adalah 400 cm. Jadi balon mereka sama.
Okay. Next, we move to 9 to 13 February here. Start from Mathematica.
Apa yang dimaksud dengan kurva? D garis yang berlaku 2. Perhatikan gambar di atas, namun manakah yang merupakan segi banyak? B. Manakah dari gambar di atas merupakan kurva tertentu? D.
Okay.
Manakah termasuk segi banyak? C. Segi. Manakah yang merupakan segi banyak adalah D. C. Lingkaran.
Okay, segi banyak. Okay, next we move to science.
Hubungan dari darkness is a condition when there is no light. Ray diagram is used to see the path of light rays. Reflection is the process when light bounce back from the surface. A dull surface is a surface that does not reflect light clearly. Which object has a dull surface? The wall or paper.
Okay, number one.
How does light travel from the sun to your eyes? Explain why you can see object during the day.
Yeah, during the day.
Light the light from the sun travel to the object and reflect to our eyes so we can see the object during the day.
Okay. Number three.
And you see and you see the
Oh, why?
and you
It's
see object in the dark moon when they travel to a place like but not before. Explain how the travel in this situation. Yeah, when you turn on the flashlight in the dark room, the light from the light from the torch travel to the object. So the light reflects to our eyes, so we can see the object.
okay. Okay, we go to this hot question then.
How do the pictogram and bar chart help us understand information in the real world? Pictogram and bar charts can help us because they are kind of bar that get information visually, so they can make us easier to understand the data without reading too long information.
Okay. Number two.
How can a researcher write like pictogram and bar chart help people make decisions? When we understand pictogram and bar charts, it can help us to make decisions or to count the data easier.
Okay. Yeah, I think as the representative, everything is okay for this homework, miss. So we just stop our evaluation today. So that's all our evaluation for today. Thank you, miss.